Good morning mga kawalwal! So right now we're here in Bolinao, Pangasinan, and we are exploring what Bolinao has to offer. For another video, so we decided to go here to have a refreshing air. Because of the pandemic, you can take advantage of the scenic beauty and the Whitesand beach here in Patar beach. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is me again for another vlog, for another travel video. We checked in Casacarolina. So as you can see, napaka-konti lang po ng ating visitors or guests for today, and we want to make the most out of it. Yeah, and enjoy this very relaxing and peaceful and very calm na beach ng Patar. So, we are taking advantage na again as well because today is a weekday to avoid the crowd. Ang konti ng tao, and parang in our beach resort, which is Casacarolina, we pay for 2,550 for 4 persons for one night. So that is cheap. If we divide it by 4, we will be just spending like 600 for each. Patar is located in the barangay Patar in Bolinao. I think it's very long white sand beach. As you can see, it's very long. Yan. Ibigyan ko kayo ng 360 view of the Patar beach. So, by the way guys, if I were you, if you want to travel here in any places in Pangasinan, I suggest that you should book a trip in a weekday so that we can avoid the crowd, because during weekends, matao po. We're enjoying the place because it's ours.
This is our room. This is 2,550. This is a CR.
Good morning mga kawalwal. So here we are. We are in our second day, and yeah, we really enjoyed our first day because of aside from the scenic beauty of this resort, yung pool din nila maganda. So when you don't want the beach, you can have the pool. Yeah. And the pool has its changing lights. So may mga nagbabago-bago yung color ng ating pool ng Casa Carolina, and it's definitely, and it's warm because kagabi it's very cold dito sa labas, but then when we soak doon sa pool, it's very warm, so it's very satisfying. About the room naman, it's air conditioned, and we really had an amazing sleep. We were comfortable doon sa tinulugan namin. It has in our room, it has 2 queen size na mattress, so we really had a comfy na accommodation or room.
The only downside is that siguro yung water, ang hina ng water. So naliligo kami, tagal-tagal. Mahina yung buhos ng water, and then since it's salt water, hindi bumubula yung tubig. Anyway, that's forgivable naman. And okay lang yon. And the one thing I like about Casa Carolina is that it's free use of kitchen. So we can use yung grillers, yung stoves, yung cookwares for free. So that's the good side of Casa Carolina. Plus, you enjoy its facilities like the pool. It has changing lights, so nakaka-excite siya. Kasi that's unusual for a pool here in Pangasinan. So, we really enjoy the water in the pool because it's very warm. Ayan, so aside pala sa sinabi ko kanina, ang hindi ko gusto is the beach itself kasi hindi siya swimmable and mabato talaga siya. Nung nag-try kaming mag-swimming doon, makati siya sa balat. Plus, hindi siya gaanong kalalim. And kung pupunta ka naman doon sa malalim, baka tangayin ka na ng alon. But also pala, napaka-commendable din ng sunset. Ang ganda ng sunset paghapon. It starts to go from 5:30, ang ganda. Tapos hanggang 7 o'clock, ang ganda, makikita mo pa rin lumilitaw yung mga colors, lumilitaw lahat. Tapos syempre madilim. So it's very vibrant ng color na binibigay ng sunset. So ang ganda. So that's very commendable dito sa Bolinao or Patar Beach, yung sunset view nila. It's amazing. Kung gusto mo lang mag-staycation, if you just want to sit, siguro if you just want to stare, look at the view, pwedeng-pwede ka dito. But for a beach goer, if you want to swim, yan, siguro hindi siya recommendable for that. But bawing-bawi naman ang sunset talaga. Ang ganda ng sunset kagabi. Kahapon, ang ganda talaga. Yun. So, that's it.